Are you planning a destination wedding, dreaming of beautiful ceremony in a stunning location? Then don't miss our YouTube series Mallorca Wedding Academy, totally for free and for you. I'm Magdalena, I'm wedding planner in Mallorca, and I'm also bride-to-be 2024. So I really know how it is like to dream about a perfect wedding. In every episode, I will give you the best tips how to organize a destination wedding. Doesn't matter if you choose Mallorca or any other place. Where to start? That's the question that most of the couple have when they start planning a destination wedding. And I will tell you exactly how and where to start when you like to have destination wedding. How to choose your dream location for the wedding day, how to have the best providers, how to check the contract with them, how to coordinate them so they know what and how they have to work on your wedding day so it can be really perfect. I will also tell you how to prepare the timing and the script of your wedding day so everything can run smoothly. How to work with your budget, how to do the payments, when, how to organize all of this. This you will find out as well on Mallorca Wedding Academy. And how to do all the logistic with accommodations and transfers for you and your guests to destination wedding. This also you will find out in the episodes on YouTube. So now go to my Instagram, link in bio, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and on 5th of January 2025, we start at 8 p.m. Spanish time. See you there!